Afrobeat star Mohbad has died. A cruel loss. He was only 27 years old. Ilerioluwa Oladimeji Aloba, known professionally as Mohbad, the Nigerian rapper, singer, and songwriter from Lagos. He was formerly signed to Naira Marley's record and left the label in 2022. Yes, Mohbad was actually born in Lagos on June 8, 1996. He was a Nigerian rapper, singer, songwriter from Lagos. He completed his primary school and secondary school education in Lagos. He was considered one of the rising stars in Nigerian music industry as his fans base continued to grow. He released his debut album Light EP in the fourth quarter of 2022 as a follow-up to his viral song Mama, which featured Naira Marley and Lil Kesh. He was best known for his hit single Mama, Feel Good and Kokoke with Rexy, which was nominated 3 times for the Headies Award 2022. Mohbad had collaborated with several artists including Davido, Zlatan, Oladips, Small Doctor, Lil Kesh, Bella Shmurda, and Lil Frosh amongst others. Mohbad was known for his streetwise and relatable lyrics that often touch on everybody's life and experiences. Mohbad cause of death. What killed Mohbad? According to the news, the rapper sadly passed away from an ear infection. Sources from the singer's team told the news platform that he took a trip to the hospital in the early hours of Tuesday, September 12, for treatment, after which he was administered an injection. Aloba was taken to the hospital after sustaining injuries. However, he reportedly passed out and did not wake up after reports also claim that the singer died from a middle ear infection called otitis. This causes immense redness, swelling, and excess fluid in one's eardrum. Some of his fans accuse Naira Marley as the cause of Mohbad's death. How true is this? For more videos, click on subscribe button and like button. Drop your comment in the comment section of this video. Thank you for choosing The Voice TV Africa.